Yes, I'll take it. Thank you. Go get your little toy.
Okay.
You can swim.
Go get it.
You can do it. You can do it. Look at you swim. Kick your feet. Yay! You got it. Yay!
He's like, oh my God.
You got it.
Good job.
You did it. See, you know how to swim. You did it. You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Throw it out there. Now go get it. You gonna do it again? Throw it out there. Okay, now go get it. Go get it.
Go get it, buddy.
You need Elliot to give you a little push? Yeah, you got it. Woo!
He always gets freaked out because the vest makes him float upwards if he's sitting on his stomach.
You got it. Yay! Kick your arms. You got it.
Kick your arms.
You swimming. Look at you. You got it.
Swimming boy.
Did you get it?
I'm doing it.
Okay.